Jesus concludes his message, and he needs to rest. So he tells you and the other disciples to sail to the other side of the sea. It's a hot day. There's a slight breeze. You can just feel it on your face. The sky is clear. There are no clouds in the sky. And the sky is a light blue for as far as you can see. Jesus knows that it's going to take some time to sail to the other side. So, as the boat sets sail, Jesus lies down and goes to sleep. You and the rest of the disciples, you're in no hurry. So you just sit back and relax. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. And it's such a pleasure remembering Jesus' message to the people and how the people enjoyed listening to him. It's so relaxing here on the boat, and you feel so peaceful.